Hey guys, Ryan here. And I just wanted to go over a quick exercise for you guys. So we just learned a lot about the HTML document and all the tags that are associated with it. So what we did here is we created an outline for you that you can find in the link below. And this kind of gives you an idea on what you can do. So I'd like you to create a page yourself. Now we've learned a bunch of stuff, and I know there's a lot more to learn, but I think we can do some really cool things here. So give your page a title. You can create as many sections as you want, but for each one, I'd like it to have a heading, have a little paragraph that tells it what it's about, and then include a list, and then maybe some links as well. The other thing we didn't say in the video so far are comments. So in HTML, when you see this right here, that's a comment tag, and anything that's in this tag won't be read by the browser. So I could say make a to another site. All right, so I've added one more for this template for you guys to take a look, and go ahead, read the comments, try to fill it out, and see how far you get. Catch you guys in the next lecture.